Hello, good evening. These are the three sets which I posted this morning for pick a card. This is set 1, set 2, and set 3. So I'm going to pick one set at a time and do the reading. So in the meantime, I'll keep these two, set 2 and 3 aside. Yeah. So coming to set 1, in each set 1 has 3 cards, set 2 has 3 cards, and set 3 has 3 cards. So we'll go set by set. So in set 1 we have 4 of swords, we have the Fool card which is a major arcana card, and we have the 2 of wands. तो ये सेट हमको ये बताता है that you're going through a major life change right now, wherein you are in the phase of introspection. You are trying to reflect, you're consciously trying to reflect on the way you have dealt with people, situations, and the way you have been through situations in your past. And based on that, you want to decide how you want to go with things and your life in future. Also, at the same time, you're very strangely at peace with whatever you have, wherever you are and however you are in your life right now. You are at peace with it. You do not have any conflict in life, in terms of conflict with your thoughts, conflict with the situation, with people or anything. You are at peace right now, and you are taking this time and making the best use of it by contemplating and introspection. Also, you have identified that all the things that you have been looking out for in terms of knowledge, experience, expertise, advices, resources, ideas, everything that you have been looking out for, you already have it with you. You realize that, and you are gradually you're realizing that, and you almost come to accepting that realization that you have everything that you have been looking out for within you. And very soon you're going to be stop looking out for those things outside. And with respect to whatever you have, you always would look outside the outside world to give you a confirmation that yes, you are right and what you think is right, or you have this thing, and then you would be confident enough to do that. You lacked confidence earlier, but now that you have a realization that you have everything that you desire within your capacity, so now you have that confidence to go out in the world knowing that you have it all in you. Also, one word of caution is that earlier, at any point in time, if you were to do a major project or a job or a major decision and your well-wishers came to advise you something, you didn't care to really take their advice and you took your own decisions in a haste, okay, because you turned your confidence into overconfident. So when you turned your confidence into overconfidence, you ended up making mistakes, because in your overconfidence you overlooked the advices of your well-wishers. So therefore, these cards are telling you that you need to take advice of your well-wishers if they are offering you one, and also that you have come to realize your capabilities and you're introspecting. So these cards are telling you that you are here for a good start. Now we will move to set 2. Now set 2 are very interesting cards. You have 2 major arcana cards, the Star, the Emperor, and the Knight of Pentacles. Now these cards tell you that you're going through a major change in your life, or a major start in your life, which is your inclination towards spirituality. So either you are getting more and more interested now into spirituality, if you not have already been interested in it, and if you have already been interested and into spirituality, then you're going to deep dive into it now, and this will be for good, because now you are hungry for deeper meanings of things in life. You want to know what is life, you want to know what is your purpose, your higher purpose in life, And this hunger, this exploration, you want to learn more about spirituality, you want to learn more about the universe, the laws of the universe. And this hunger, this strive is going to be here to stay. Okay, till now, this represents another major trait about you, that till now, wherever you have lived, worked, or with your friends, you have been the major driving force of that group. And it's like you've been a father figure, not really by gender a man, but more about the position a father holds in the family, which is the leader of the clan, the leader, the one who leads, takes care of the clan, the one who takes decisions, the one who influences people in their decisions. So you have been that major driving force in the groups that you move around, whether it's family, friends, or work. But now, what you want to do is you want to serve humanity. You want to do service to people, because you believe that by serving people somehow is going to help you in your spiritual growth. And in a way, that is correct. It will help you in your deeper, in understanding spirituality and understanding the deeper purpose of your life. And it is going to help you in curbing the spiritual thirst that you have right now, if I can put it that way. So again, good cards for you. Spiritual growth and serving humanity are two things that are coming out of these cards. And when I say serving humanity, it does not really mean like you have to turn Mahatma Gandhi or Mother Teresa, for that matter. Even helping one single person at a time, just by giving them some medicines or food or clothes or whatever, helping anybody in despair, even in the smallest and tiniest means serving humanity. So that's that. And now we're moving to the third set of the cards, and here we have 3 cards. Don't be scared by this, because you've already been through this. So we have King of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and the Tower card. So what has happened with you is that in your recent past, you have come across a situation wherein, like a bomb blast, one day you woke up and out of the blue, suddenly, some major revelation happened to you. Some secret came out of the closet, or something was revealed to you which kind of split your world apart, which shook your beliefs as a person, which shook your major understanding of things and life. But you took your time, you made sense of the whole situation, of what happened to you, why it happened to you, and how you need to move forward in life. So you are over this situation, and this situation made you a much more stronger, a much more powerful person now, and you are more strong in going forward in your life now. You're no more worried about the situation. This doesn't bother you down or bog you down. It has only made you stronger. And this card is telling you that there has been a female figure in your life. It could be your mother, wife, sister, friend, colleague, female colleague, an acquaintance, a female relative, any female who has been a positive influence in your life and has been a pillar of strength, directly or indirectly. So this card is showing that it is about time that you show your respect and let her know that her presence and her her support really means a lot, and it really adds value and makes your life a better life. It could be any relation, it could be any female in your life. So it's time that you should let her know. Also, these 2 cards together, to me, they're telling me that a new relationship, a new partnership, or marriage is on the cards. It also is telling me that if there has been any kind of miscommunication between you and your current partner, then the miscommunication is over, and you can look at a fresh start with your existing partner and make things mend. So these are the 3 set of readings. I hope that these readings resonated with you. If they don't resonate with you, then most likely they're not meant for you. I will keep sharing pick a card readings often, and hope you enjoyed the readings. Thank you so much and have a good evening.